Guys, for today, I'm gonna go play Brookhaven. Brookhaven. Pangit. Wait lang. Hanap ako ng bahay. Wala pa akong bahay. So, sino to? Si Kylie ba to? Oh! Wait lang. Sabi. Sabi mo hi sa view. Sabi mo hi sa video. Ako din. Ako din. Hi. Wait lang, Kylie. So for today, meron ako kasama. Kylie. Ayun siya, yung pink. Nagbabago na dito ah. Ayaw ko. Oh, sige. Wala na akong space dito. Wait lang. Bufa Padelo. Doon lang ako. Yung taxi. Sa 19. Actually, no. Wait lang. Hanap ko saan perfect spot. Doon yan, ano. Okay, alam ko pala. Saan yan? Excuse me, my bada. Hindi ako punta doon sa 33. Punta ako doon sa 39. Where are you going? Brother. I don't know you can drive, brother. Ayun, pwede ako. 19. Actually, no, Kylie. I'm going to 37. Bye-bye. I'm not. Saan ka punta, Kylie? Dito man ako magbabahay. About spawn beyond this point. Hindi ka sasama? Bilisan mo. Wait. Ano this? Group of Fedelo. Truly mero, truly Sheena. I don't know who's the real. It's just my face. This is just yes. 37. Okay. And welcome to my palace. Wait. Wait lang. All yellow. Come. Yeah. Wait. No, let's go. Okay, let's go. Tara na. Sa slow mo. Welcome to my palace. Tapos, hey, that's my Ipan kita dyan. Dito muna ako sa office ko. Wait lang, mag-work ako dito. Laptop time. Laptop. Meron akong decorate ko yung bahay ko. That's mine. Don't decorate it. Wala kang room. Room ba to? Dito ka lang tulog. Saan ako? Glass na ako. Ay. TV is something. Bakit ka pa dito? Don't decorate it! No! I don't have a room. Wait, parang meron room dito. Serious. There's a room over here. And here. This is my room. I'm gonna go decorate it now. There's gonna be a gaming setup. I like this. So, not it. Not it. Not in my bed. I saw the line this side. Yanday. That's covers. So area of okay. I don't know, but multo. Ilang. Meron akong ano dito. Baka kala ni Kylie. A mic. Okay. I'm singing. Okay. Oh, meron helicopter. Yaya ka pala. Yaya. Welcome to my room, Yaya. Ibig sabihin, do me chores. Okay. Ano, kaklase ko yan. Kalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo. Meron akong... Oh! Douches. Make me food. Make me food. Oh, yaya kita. Make me food. Make me food. Wait. Gonna go to my office. Mag-work ako. Hindi to. Pangit ko naman. Wait lang po. To my office. So, then I'm gonna go. Laptop. Ayan pala eh. Ay, hindi a little bit closer. Ayan. Now that wait lang. Kunyari, makuha ako ng pizza. The lazy tiny real rose say. Mm, mm, yep. Mm. Okay. I call the police. Wait, I'm gonna go decorate my room. Pag nagtitiktok ako, guys. Dito, oh. Shaminane. 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 But then I wait. Now I'm gonna go sing. So my practice, oh, me to do. I love you. I love you. Mag-tik-tik-tak na ako. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. That's me wait. Hey, kill it. That's me nay. Okay, no, that's me wait. Wait. That's me nay. Oh wait, no, that's me wait. Kill it. That's me nay. Oh wait, that's me wait. That's me nay. Okay, no, that's me wait. Hey, kill it. That's me nay. Okay. That's me wait. Hey, kill it. That's me nay. Okay, no, that's me wait. And that's me nay. Okay. Where's my yaya? Sir, say my. Oh, what is it? What is it? Si Yaya. Say guys. $100 is what I need. So, wait lang. Wait. I'm gonna go pause muna. May pera ka po, bili ako. Bili ako. Ako pagkain. Ubus na. Pagkain natin. Of course, I have one. I'm rich. Watch me wait. Hey, kill it. That's me wait. Where is my servant? My yaya is... Wait. His room is over here. Dapat ito yung room ko. And... Wait lang. So, mag-English na ako muna, guys. And that was an awesome adventure. If you're not... Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait. Bruh, guys. She took my boat. I'm gonna get another one. Oh, they have this. Money. Okay, wala akong ganyan na Robux. 3 Robux na ako, guys. Nice. Yum. My yaya is taking too long. That's my hand. Wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears. I am the president in Brooklyn. Nandito na ba yung yaya natin? I am the president in Brooklyn. No, I'm just gonna wait. So, tukol ng yaya ko. 2 a.m. na. At hindi pa siya dumating. Nandito pa ba siya? Andito pa siya, pero tagal niya. Si Yaya realized kung din sa bahay, bakit hindi siya nakikita? I've been waiting here all day. I guess there's some banana. Oh, 2 a.m. na. Where is it? Where is it? May I? Okay, yeah. Then I can go to the. Wait. Okay, never mind. It takes so long. I should take the shark. Okay. I cannot take the shark. Wait. Andito lang pala. Tagal mo. Meron lang dalawang boat. Tagal mo eh. Tagal mo. Kaya kita pinuntahan. Tagal mo. Okay. Piggy bank. Bye. Wiggle. Yes. Wiggle. My poem to the others. Yep, I'm the president. President of Brookhaven. Where is my yaya? Oh, I have the statue. I didn't notice. Where is it? Is she prepared? Okay, yeah. Wash hands. So I don't need this. Wait lang, sabihin ko muna. Bulag. Kylie. Oh, wala na pala siya. Kylie, where are you? Kylie, where are you? Oh, my mini room. Hindi ko alam, inago na yung room ko. Kylie. Mag-leave pa siya. Wait. Where is he? Where is she? I guess wala na siya. So, that was an awesome adventure. If you wanna join us like that, click right here. Bye! Ay lang. Ulit pa.